Hello guys, welcome to another new video. Today I'll show you how to create a AI like ChatGPT in a Sketchware. Basically, I'm showing you some methods and some implementations which I'm already created in a Sketchware. In this video, I'll show you the multi-transformer, layer by layer data training and the model response. Let's open the Sketchware app and open the offline GPT applications project. Just click on it. I will provide you the project completely for free. There you can see 3 numbers of buttons. All are buttons for training purpose. And there is input text. It basically used for prompting, and here is the get response for sending the data, and here is the stop button for stopping the process and shut down the whole model and all the methods and all the processing unit. In the first button you can see there is a web crawling and model training functionality. This app can crawl information using internet and learn data. You just put the URL here and it automatically crawl all the data and learn from them. This is a very advanced educational implementation tutorial which is first time in YouTube. You cannot find like these types of project anywhere. Here is the 10 value, which is the depth of the URL crawling. Basically it find the 10 times deeper URL from this URL. If you increase the depth, then it will crawl more informations, but it takes time. And the next button is training via file. If you don't want to use the internet for crawling, you just implement here your database path. Here you can add multiple database in text format. There is a database 1 data1.txt and database 2 is a data2.txt. You can use multiple list of the path. In this method you can use it and save the model into any your internal storage, and you can load it again. Here you can see I am just loading the checkpoint, the model here, and here is the get response. I'm using some animations for making the response more smooth and typing effect. Open the get response method, which is a string method, and you can see there is a input as a text and it make into the integer array, and then it save into the conversation memory like ChatGPT. Suppose you said ChatGPT, hey, my name is Hasif, and you ask the ChatGPT again, what is my name? Then the ChatGPT reply, your name is Hasif. Like these types of memory I am implementing here, but this is a only test purpose and experimental purpose. Here you can see the data of integer value 2 in transformer layer, and it process layer by layer and send the output in float variable. This is the float array, and then turn into integer array After turning the integer array, it returns the plain text as a string. Let's enter the Java or Kotlin manager. Here you can see a class file which is training model generator. Using the class, you can train the model and return some response there. I'm using a third-party library for crawling the data from internet. In this example project, you will get transformer architecture like ChatGPT and BART. Here is some example. You can see those all are value you can change from your activity and play with them. Those examples for pro users in Sketchware. Here is the token name. You can see UNK. It means unknown character. If there is any unknown character or unknown response, then it will respond the character as UNK. And different types of methods here for layer by layer training and response. The video is fast forward because the video is very long. I just make it fast forward. For this reason, you cannot listen the audio from there. For this reason, I am doing voiceover separately. Here you can see some value which you can adjust according to your requirement. If you increase the value, then it takes more times. Here you can see the epoch is 3. The number is 3. You can increase it or decrease it. If you decrease, then the model is not accurate according to your prompt. It cannot respond better. But if you make it 10, it is perfect. For simple example. But in the large language model like ChatGPT, it worked 50 to 500 number here as a epoch. If you increase the number, it required more processing power. I don't have enough computing power or processor is not enough for me to train the model. In this reason, I like to use Google Colab for training the model. In the phone, I can only run 1 or 2 lines of data for training. But I need a simple database. Here is 61 lines of database I need to train. For this reason, I am using colab.research.google.com. Basically, I am using Google Colab for performing all the tasks. Here I am importing in my Google Drive my Java file and the database file, which is data.txt, and install the apt update and install the OpenJDK 17 version. And you can see the script is successfully imported here. I am just mounting the Google Drive here, and you can see the all source code I can see from there in terminal. And now I like to run the program for training. Just click the run button and you can see the processing in starting with 10 epochs. I am decreasing the epoch number because I don't need so many data perfections, but I need an example because I like to experiment with that. In that case, I'm running the 10 epos with 102 lines, and I need minimum 30 minutes and maximum 2 hours is required. It depends on computer. I have the T4 in Google Colab in free version. So I need 56 minutes or similar like this types of time I need to spend here. Here you can see my model is completed. Now I just need to download it. You can click the download button and download the model, and you also can open your Google Drive and download from there. You need to open the Google Drive and just find out the exact file which you created, and you can see the model is downloading. The model is only 20 MB. After downloading the model, just set the path of the model and run it, and wait some time to build the app. After building the app, you need to install them. You can see Java is compiling. There is no error. D8 is running, and after the signing of APK, you can get a message for install. Just install it. You can see this is the path of the model. Just open the app, and here you can see our app is fine. Now here is the old model, and here is the latest one which I created from Google Colab. Now I need to just open the app and load the model, and then I can type the prompt, and here is the response. You can see there is some word like UNK. It means unknown. I think I need more database for training the model. This is the end of the video. If you are new in this channel, please subscribe me. Your subscribe is my inspiration. If you like the video, please hit the like button and share with your friend. If you need any specific video, please let me know. Thank you for watching this video.